One more time, you have all the babies and their genes, and you need to figure out the genes of the parents. So looking at parent one gave the genes to these babies. So if I look, the only gene that they have in common is the dominant gene. So parent one had to give a dominant gene to these babies. Okay. Typically, parent one's genes will be written first, but if I look at the genes written first on these two babies, they're not the same. Parent one will have to have given the same genes to both of these babies. So in this case, the parent one had to give the recessive gene. Okay, and the reason that it's written a little bit differently is because just by convention, the dominant gene comes first. But we know that the baby had to get the recessive gene because that's the only way that both babies could get the same gene from this parent. Okay, and now I do the same thing for parent two. I look at the genes that it gave these babies. It had to be a dominant gene. Okay, gave both babies the capital letter, and these babies had to get a recessive gene. So parent two has to have one recessive and one dominant, as does parent one recessive, one dominant gene.